Chapter 3 MS Word Mail Merge. Mail Merge is a very important tool which allows you to create form letters, mailings, labels, and envelopes by linking a main document to a set of data or data source. The main document is linked to the data source by common fields of the data called merge fields. For example, in a form letter, your main document would be the letter informing the parents to be called for a parent-teacher meeting. The data source is where the fields of information on each parent receiving the letter are located. The data source would contain names, addresses, phone numbers, etc. If you are printing envelopes or address labels, the main document would be the envelopes or the sheets with labels on it. The data source would be the addresses that are to be placed on these envelopes or labels of sheets. When you are performing a mail merge, you will need a Word document. You can start with an existing one and create a new one. And a recipient list, which is typically an Excel workbook. Exploring Mail Merge. 1. Open an existing Word document or create a new one. 2. Click the Mailings tab. 3. Click the Start Mail Merge command. 4. Select Step-by-Step Mail Merge Wizard. The Mail Merge task pane appears and will guide you through the 6 main steps to complete a merge. The following is an example of how to create a form letter and merge the letter with the recipient's list. Do you know Word can pull data from a variety of data sources to perform mail merge? Step 1. Choose the type of document you want to create. In this example, select letters. 2. Click Next. Starting document to move to step 2. Step 2. Select Use the current document. Click Next. Select Recipients to move to step 3. Step 3. Now you will need an address list so Word can automatically place each address into the document. The list can be in an existing file such as an Excel workbook, or you can type a new address list from within the Mail Merge wizard. 1. From the Mail Merge task pane, select Use an existing list and then click Browse. 2. Locate your file in the dialog box. You may have to navigate to a different folder. Then click Open. 3. If the address list is an Excel workbook, select the worksheet that contains the list and then click OK. 4. In the Mail Merge Recipients dialog box, you can check or uncheck each recipient to control which one are used in the merge. When you are done, click OK to close the dialog box. 5. From the Mail Merge task pane, click Next. Write your letter to move to step 4. Step 4. Now you're ready to write your letter. When it is printed, each copy of the letter will be same except the recipient data like the name and address will be different on each one. You will need to add placeholders for the recipient data so Mail Merge knows exactly where to add the data. To insert recipient data, 1. Place the insertion point in the document where you want the information to appear. 2. Select address block, greeting line, electronic postage, or more items from the task pane. Fact file. The mail merge file will hold special symbols which will substitute the name and address and other relevant information stored in the data file. Do you know if you are using mail merge with an existing letter, make sure the file is open. 3. Depending on your selection, a dialog box may appear with various options. Select the desired options, then click OK. 4. A placeholder appears in your document, for example, address block. 5. Repeat these steps each time you need to enter information from your data record. 6. From the Mail Merge task pane, click Next. Preview your letters to move to step 5. For some letters, you will only need to add an address block and greeting line. Sometimes, however, you may want to place recipient data within the body of the letter to further personalize it. Step 5. 1. Preview the letters to make sure information from the recipient list appears correctly in the letter. You can use the left and right scrolls arrow to view each document. 2. Click Next. Complete the merge to move to step 6. Step 6. 1. Click Print to print the letters. 2. The Merge to Printer dialog box opens. Click All, then click OK. 3. The Print dialog box will appear. Adjust the print settings if needed, then click